Um, Good morning, all. Today we are going to see about binary tree traversals. In previous class, we have discussed about what is meant by trees and what are the different types of trees and what are the different properties of binary trees we have already discussed. In this class, we are going to discuss about the binary tree traversals. What is meant by binary tree traversals? Before we're going to discuss about binary tree traversal, we have to know about the what is meant by traversals. Traversal is the visiting order or displaying order of the nodes in the binary tree. We have known already. We have know about the how what is meant by binary trees and what are the nodes of the binary trees. Okay. In binary tree, we have three types of traversals over here. First one is in-order traversal, second pre-order traversal, and third one is post-order traversals. That is the displaying or visiting order of nodes in the binary tree. That is called as the binary tree traversals. Okay. In-order traversals, what is the things? What are the steps to be followed to display or visit the nodes in-order traversal? Means we have to follow the three steps. We are regressively applying the same procedure to the left. First we have to apply the left part of the left subtree. Second, you are going to visit the root node, that is top root node, I mean root node of the particular node. Second, we are going to apply the same procedure as regressively applying the same procedure to the right subtree. That is, the regression is to be performed over here. That is the simple in order algorithm. That is, we are again at the function. What was meant by regression? The function called by itself. We are in order procedure. The same procedure has to be applied for the left part of the tree as well as the right part of the tree, so that we are calling in order procedure two times over here. That is, regressively we are apply the function called by itself. That is, we are going for applying this procedure to left, then root node, then right part of the tree. This is the consider the following binary tree. This is the simple binary tree. The order we are going to in this here I am showing the order we are going to visit the nodes in that particular this tree. What is the thing? First thing we have to follow. We have to follow the left. First, we are going to start that visiting from the left part of the binary tree. What is the left part here over here? What is the top root node here? That is, A is a top root node, and left subtree of that starts from B. B is the root node for D and F, and D is the root node for I and J. So we have to start visiting from left part of the root node. That what is the left part? For A, B is a left child node. For B, D is a left child node. And for D, what is the left child node? I. So we are going to start visiting from the left. Then what is the going to second step? We are going to visit the root node. What is the root node for I? Obviously, D is the root node. So we are going to visit the root node D. What is the second? We are going to visit the right node. That is right node in the sense the J. This is the order. This is the simple thing we have to follow. Second one, the pre-order traversal. Again, we are going to follow the three types of steps, three steps. One, first we are going to visit the root node. Second, we are going to visit the left subtree. Third, we are going to visit the right subtree. What are the two things to be regressively applied or regressively we have called, that is called as the far left part as well as the right part. Visiting the root node is just not a again and again we are not calling that same. This is the simple algorithm for performing the pre-order traversals. We are starting with the date root node. Second, we are going to the left part of the tree. Third, we are going to for to the right part. So that we are regressively or backtrackingly applying the same procedure over here. Again, this is the same tree. Binary tree has been considered for the example. What is the first step we are going to take? We are going to visit from the root node. What is the root node of this tree? Obviously, A is the root node. What is the left subtree of this root node? B is the left subtree. So we are going to start visit from B. What is the B? For B, what is the left subtree of this part? That is D. compared to D, then what is the left? It is, that is obviously I. We are traversing like this. Then what is that? Post order traversals. Now, post order traversals, we have three things we have to follow. That is, we again the three steps has to be followed, but the order we are going to visit it is different from each traversals. First, we are starting with left subtree, then right subtree, then root node. The same diagrams, the same thing regressively, the same procedure has been applied for left as well as right part of the tree. This is this diagram, which is what is the post order? What is the post order condition? We are going to visit from left subtree, then right, then root node. So the same thing. What is that? What is the left part of the A? Well, for A, B is a left child node. For B, D is a right left child node. For D, I is a left child node. That's how we are start visiting from node I. Then what is the second thing? What is the second step? We are going to visit the left part of that particular node. We have to start visiting to part of the root node D, not C. So we have to visit the left child node of D, that is J. Then we are going to visit the root node of I and J, that is D. This is what we are applying the same procedure for left part as well as the right part.